Get ready to level up your knowledge on the manufacturing process. In this video, I will show you how process input X and process output Y are related and teach you different types of experiments to establish that relationship. Understanding the relationship between X and Y is crucial in focusing on what really matters and having the biggest impact on Y. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge to better understand manufacturing process and improve your skills in this field. Don't miss out this opportunity. Tune in now.
The first step to understand design of experiment is that we will need to define what is a process. A process consists of a series of actions which transform process inputs such as information or materials into a process output. Key metrics known also as response. Process input can be termed as the X or factor. There are two types of process input. One is controllable and another is uncontrollable. Therefore, we will need to divide all the potential X into controllable and uncontrollable factor when we are conducting experiments. So in this example of packaging delivery, where delivery time is the results, that means the shorter the time that is delivered to the customers, the better it is. In this example, we have identified there are two controllable inputs, which is the route itself, which route is the best, and also the weight of the packaging. Will it impact the delivery time? And uncontrollable factors or inputs could be the weather conditions, which we cannot control, and it will not be discussed for the time being in order to have a simplified explanation on DOE. Actually, once we identify the uncontrollable factor, we can mitigate the risk accordingly. In any given process, both process input and output are actually related to each other, which the process input X will have an impact on Y. And we will need to take certain actions to control the X's in order to have a better Y and lead to the results that we would like to have.
If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content.
Let's go back to our package delivery example, where we would like to determine what are the X that could potentially impact the Y here. We will select the potential process input X, controllable input, the routes, and also the weight of the packaging and how it impacts the delivery time, which is Y. In route itself, we would like to try out several routes, which is known as level in a factor, route A, route B, and also different weights. It could be 0.2 kg, 1 kg, and check if there is any significant impacts on the delivery time, and what is the best setting for the weight and distance to achieve the best or the lowest delivery time. In order to find out all these things, we will need to conduct an experiment, which is a procedure to establish the relationship of X and Y, the cause and effect. The cause is an X, how it impact or effect Y, which is the results. In the next few slides, we will go through the common methods of experimentation, which includes the best guess method or known as trial and error, one factor at a time, and also statistically designed experiment that is used to establish the relationship or to find out how the process input factor X has an impact on the process output, which is the results. Best educated guess method, or known as trial and error method, is actually the common approach in experiment. In this method, the experimenter will guess the levels of each factors, or what type of levels or what type of items in each factors which might yield a desirable results of the response.
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Are you ready to take your manufacturing supplier quality engineering career to the next level? Look no further. I am excited to introduce to you my comprehensive and affordable courses available on Udemy. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or looking to advance your skills, my courses on supplier quality engineering, audits, quality tools on NSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean Six Sigma, problem solving, specialized process control audit in metal stamping, plastic injection molding, printed circuit board assembly, spray painting, and more have got you covered. Each course comes with complete downloadable guides, templates, or checklists that you can immediately apply to your job. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your career. With on-demand video, you can access the course from anywhere on your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to learn on the go. And with a Udemy certificate of completion and lifetime access to course materials, you will equipped with valuable resources, templates, guides, checklists to take your career to the next level. Follow the link below to check my courses to start your journey to success today.
The experimentations will continue. Keep on guessing what is a level. For example, in this process input, is it route A or route B or route C? And also different weights in order to get the response. The experiment will continue until either goal is met or experimenter has run out of resources to conduct the experiment, because experiments actually needs money, material, times, and patience to conduct. The downfall of this method is that you will have a lot of inconclusive results, which could be based on perception and not proven. And it also leads to an unreliable results. The second experimentation methods, which is more organized, is known as one factor at a time. In this type of approach, we are comparing different factors and how it impact the results through a one factor experiment studies, where we will vary only one factor at a time and also fix the rest of the factors. The objective is to identify the differences among the levels. Our package delivery example, we would like to know how does the route and the weight, which is the process input or factors, will impact on the delivery time, which is the Y, or the response of the experiment. So in this case, there are only two factors which needs to be studied, where we will vary the route and then fix the weight, or either we vary the weight and then fix the route to check which one has a bigger impact. In this type of experiment, it is good if we have only one or two factors. to study. However, if we have more than 3, 4, 5 factors, or sometimes up to 8, 9 factors, it is very tedious and we have to conduct many rounds of experiment. We shall look at the next experiment approaches, which is the best known as design of experiment. What is statistically designed experiment, or known as DOE, is actually a methodology of planning and conducting a series of experimentation runs with controlled changes in the inputs X in order to observe or identify how it changes the outputs or the response or the results. The experimentation runs are actually conducted with multiple control factors at the same time, and it can be controlled at 2 or 3 levels of the factors, and is designed into a table, and the experiment is run. Later on, regression analysis or a modeling technique is used to identify what is the significant factors which could have an impact on the results, and also how to set these factors which has an impact to an optimum level to achieve the desirable results through modeling. And we can also predict the future results using this type of modeling with different types of X.
I hope you have gained valuable insights into how experiments can help to establish the relationship between manufacturing process input X and process output Y. In this video, we have discussed 3 common experiment methods with more detailed coverage of statistical design experiments coming up in the future video. Do not forget to like and share this video, and please leave a comment on your own experiences conducting experiments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.